Do you truly think so little of me?
Loki, I thought the world of you.
I will not fight you, brother!
I'm not your brother.
I never was.
I thought we were going to fight side by side forever, but at the end of the day, you're you and I'm me. And now maybe there's still good in you, but let's be honest, our paths diverged a long time ago.
Yeah. It's probably for the best that we never see each other again.
That's what you always wanted. You know, maybe you're not so bad after all, brother.
Maybe not.
Thank you. If you were here, I might even give you a hug.
I'm here.